How to uninstall the Sendit app on your Android device. So first, go ahead and open settings. Here you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in apps. Then tap on the first option. You'll see many options. Simply tap on manage apps, which is right below system app settings. Here you'll again see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in Sendit. Then tap on the app. Then you'll see three options on the bottom of your screen: force stop, uninstall, and clear data. Simply tap on the middle option called uninstall. Then it will ask to confirm your decision by tapping on OK. So if you want to uninstall, simply tap on the OK button, and after a few moments, Sendit app will be successfully uninstalled from your device. And it is that easy. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.